In this video, we'll have a look at the Shop as a Customer feature in our WooCommerce B2B Sales Agent plugin. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our demo site, and if we navigate down to where it says customers here, from here we'll get a list of all the customers that we currently manage, and we can quickly create new customers as well. So let's say, for example, if we wanted to shop on behalf of Molly, so we can do it by two different methods, right? So we can click this order icon here, or we can view the customer detail, and then there'll be this button here to shop on behalf of this particular customer. Okay, so both link will take you to the same place. So we can just click this order button here, and now we're shopping on behalf of Molly, and we've got this green bar here letting us know that we're shopping on behalf of Molly. And then if we want, at any particular point, we can switch back to our normal sales agent account. Okay, so let's go through and do a test checkout. Okay, so we'll add this to cart. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and check out. Okay, so straight away the customer email will already be pre-populated, so we can just go ahead and purchase on behalf of this particular customer, and they'll receive an email as well letting them know that an order has been placed on their behalf. Okay, perfect. So we've just created an order on behalf of this particular customer. Okay, so if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to WooSuite.com. Go ahead and download our B2B Sales Agent plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you've done so, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so assuming you've downloaded the WooSuite B2B Sales Agent plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go Plugins, Add New, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Go ahead and activate your license key. Once you've done that, it will automatically redirect you to this add-ons menu here. And then from here, you can just go ahead and enable the Sales Agent plugin. Okay, so I'll quickly go through a few options regarding our Sales Agent plugin. So I've just clicked Manage. Okay, so we can enable a few options. So let's say if you, the admin or store owner, is the only one that's planning to use this particular system, then a lot of these options you can overlook. Okay, so the main one to enable the Shop as a Customer feature, I'll just quickly show you how to enable this. Okay, so from the Sales Agent dashboard, you can actually enable the option so you can add new customers directly from the Sales Agent dashboard. Okay, so you just want to enable this option here, and enable this one if you want to allow the sales agent to add extra fields such as their billing information and so on. Okay, and then finally here we need to select the user role in which the sales agent can manage. Okay, so for example, in my case here, we're allowing them to manage subscribers, customers, and wholesale customers. Okay, and those customers will need to be assigned to the specific sales agent. Okay, so we can scroll down, and a lot of these we can ignore, but you might want to enable this option here where it says edit prices in cart. Okay, so it means the sales agent will be able to edit the pricing within the cart. So this is great if you're taking phone orders or anything like that. So whilst you're on the phone, you can go ahead and check out on behalf of that particular customer, and let's say you're negotiating whilst you're on the phone, then you can just edit the negotiated price directly within the cart page. Okay, so we'll scroll down. So again, depending on your use case, you might want to set a particular sales agent to be assigned to all new customers. Okay, let's say for example I wanted to specify a specific sales agent, which is Agent Jane, to all new customers. Then I can select specific agent here, and then here I can choose the sales agent that I want to be automatically assigned to that customer. Okay, and then finally here where it says select user role sales agent can manage. Okay, so again, just like this option here, we want to make sure we tick the same option. So we will need the sales agent to be able to manage subscriber, customer, and our wholesale customer. Okay, so we'll just save changes. Okay, in your case, since I've already created a few sales agents on this system, you want to go ahead and create your sales agent. So you'll just navigate to user here, and then just click add user. And it's just like adding any other WordPress user. So you'll just enter in the username, email, their first and last name, and password. But the most important thing is here where it says role, we just need to make sure we select sales agent. Okay, so that's the only thing that we're doing differently. Okay, so we'll just select sales agent and then just click add new user. Let's say you're applying this to an existing store, assuming you've already got several customers on your site, but now you want to assign those customers to this sales agent that you've just created. So to do so, it's dead simple. Okay, so this is a customer here. So currently we can see that this particular customer is assigned to Brian. Okay, So we can edit this customer and then we can just reassign them to a different sales agent. So we'll scroll down to where it says Woo sales agent here. And here we can see the sales agent is Brian. So again, we can reassign this particular customer, okay, to Agent Jane. Okay, then we can just update the user. And now when we log in to Jane Sales Agent dashboard, we'll be able to manage this particular customer here, okay? So we can leave it here for the admin side. So the next step would be to log in to our sales agent dashboard. And to do this, all you'll have to do is just navigate to the My Account page, or however you log into your WooCommerce store. Okay, so typically it's on the My Account page, or as I said, wherever your login page is. Okay, so just enter in the sales agent details. Okay, for example, mine was Agent Jane. Okay, so as is shown in the intro, we can just navigate to customers. Okay, and then we can view all our customers. We can search via the company name or the customer name, or even email address, right? And then we can just place an order on behalf of that particular customer. Okay, and that's how we shop on behalf of a customer using the WooSuite Sales Agent plugin. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.